also is on a high alert after the first coronavirus case was confirmed in the country.
11,502 new cases.
There were more than 24,000 new infections recorded in the last 24 hours.
ध्यान से सुनिए, आज रात 12 बजे से संपूर्ण लॉकडाउन होने जा रहा है।
This is the hour, the darkest place. Dante's Inferno, the devil's maze. It's a good world gone bad.
Nice.
After sitting very tight almost a year at home, we planned a ride to nowhere. Entirely we had no idea where we are going to. We started our ride and cruised to north as we didn't do it before. In the middle of nowhere we decided our destination as Nepal and headed towards Nagpur as our first stop.
What is up people, this is Bhanutesh. Welcome back to my channel. As you can see, we are on the National Highway 44 heading towards the Nepal. The tour of 2021 is happening now.
As we started early in the morning, the climate was so chilly and the roads were fogged up little bit. Nagpur was about 550 kilometers away from us and the highway towards Nagpur was in good shape and more inviting. Since the agenda for this part of the trip was to cover the distance and to cover it quickly, we twisted the throttle and kept it there as long as possible.
Finally found a petrol bunk. My bike is in reserve right now. Full tank.
एक मिनट.
అంకుల్ మెకానిక్ ఏడా దొరుకుతారు అంకుల్? మెకానిక్ కావాలి. ఇంజన్ ఆయిల్ లీక్ అవుతుంది. ఎంత దూరం పోవాలి? ఎంత దూరం పోవాలి?
బైపాస్కి ఉంటుంది.
ఇట్లా రోడ్ పైన దొరకరా? రోడ్ పైన దొరకరా?
రోడ్ పైన దాబక్కడ పంచారు దొరుకుతారు, వీళ్ళు దొరకరు.
అవునా?
మెకానిక్ నేరడుగుండా కానీ
ఆ నట్టు లూజ్ అయిందిరా. నీ దగ్గర టూల్స్ ఉన్నాయా?
Luckily we found early that there is a leakage happening from the bike. So with the help of villagers we found few mechanics, but the last one did the work done.
And by the way, today my bike is acting smart on me. I used to get 35 kilometers per liter in my previous trips, but now I'm hardly getting 25 kilometers per liter. This is what's happening right now. See the sun, guys. Em vedira babu.
While we started going up to the north, slowly the temperature started rising up to the top. We just never stopped rehydrating ourselves. As we started our ride mystifyingly, we had no idea how things are going to play out in the coming few days, like the changing scenario in the country. But trust me, those are the days which I wish I could go back whenever I want. This trip is all about surprises with every turn of the road. Stay tuned to witness the most beautiful days in my life.